Welcome to this Shopify Liquid tutorials. In these tutorials, we're going to learn what is Liquid, how to use Liquid inside Shopify theme. In order for you to follow along these tutorials, you need to have a basic knowledge in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So if you do not have knowledge about them, I recommend you to check on YouTube to find some tutorials that are going to teach you how to build a website using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Follow along these tutorials. We need to have with us some tools. So the first thing that we need is a Shopify partner account. Okay, so how to open a Shopify partner account? You just heads up to shopify.com, and once you are there, you just scroll all the way down to the bottom, to the footer. Okay, and you look for partners. Okay, and once you are in a Shopify partner website, you can click on sign up and follow along. It's very straightforward to create an account in Shopify partner. So the second tool that we need is a browser. Shopify recommends to use Chrome. Okay, so if you do not have Chrome installed in your computer, please do install Chrome. You can use Chrome or Chromium like I do have here. It's both working. Okay, so we will need also a text editor. So in my case, I'm going to use VS Code. You can install VS Code in your computer to follow along, or you can use any other text editor. Is going to work the same way. And once we do have all this information, we will need to install CLI, a command line interface, to be able to clone, modify, update, edit Shopify theme. All right, so I'm gonna see you on the next video. Thanks.